In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Sprout Social account with this full 2025 guide. To get started, open Sprout Social in your browser and sign in to your account. One important thing to know before you begin is that you'll need to log in with an account that has account owner permissions. If you're signed in with a regular user role or limited admin access, you may not see the option to fully deactivate the account, so it's worth checking that first. Once you're inside the platform, head over to the account and settings area. This is where Sprout Social keeps your main account controls, including subscription and billing details. From there, look for the billing section, which may also appear as billing and plan depending on the version of the dashboard you're seeing. After opening that page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Near the lower part of the screen, you should see an option labeled Deactivate or Deactivate your account. This is the setting used to begin the cancellation process. Go ahead and click that when you're ready to move forward. At this point, Sprout Social will guide you through the deactivation steps on screen. For some users, the cancellation can be completed directly within the platform without any extra action. However, if your account is tied to a contract or a more customized billing arrangement, the request may need to be reviewed by a customer success manager before the cancellation is officially finalized. So if the process doesn't complete instantly, that can be completely normal. Before you confirm anything, make sure to download any important data you want to keep. This is a very important part of the process because once your account is canceled, you may lose access to valuable information stored in the platform. That can include reports, scheduled content, media files, analytics exports, and team workflows. If your team relies on historical performance data or saved publishing plans, take a few extra minutes here and export everything you might need later. When you're ready, complete the final cancellation confirmation. After the account is canceled, scheduled posts will stop publishing, your connected social profiles will eventually be disconnected, and your workflows and reporting tools will stop working. Sprout Social will also stop collecting any new data going forward. And that's it. That's how to delete your Sprout Social account safely and properly while making sure you don't lose anything important before the account is deactivated.